Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing full face of SheGlam Makeup. There's lots of new products in this video, and yes, I'm a bit hoarse, but the show must go on and I really want to voice over this and have this out on Friday, but here we are. Let's get started. The first new product we're going to be trying out today is the SheGlam Brow-Fection Angled Brush and Dip. This is an interesting product. This is a brow product that is one of those angled like brushes that is supposed to create hair-like strokes in your brow. You just press it down like so, and you get the product on the tip of the brush, and it does make brush strokes. I think this is a really good product for the inner portion of your brow because you can really see the hair strokes in the inner portion, but as I filled in the rest of the brow, it was less noticeable. I do like the result that it gave me. It is nice and pigmented. You can dip the brush as many times as you would like. This product is under $4, and I did get the shade Chocolate, which I think matches my brows really nicely. It's a cool toned darker brown. It is easy to fill in the brows with this, but if you do have thinner, more sparse brows, it might be harder to use, but also will give you that full hair effect. I do think it performed nicely overall, and I will continue to use it and become more familiar with the product. I am going to be taking the SheGlam Marilyn Monroe, the Daydreamer Face and Eye Palette. And this palette is really neat. You get 4 eyeshadows, matte, translucent, white face powder, and a ombre highlighter. It's really beautiful and shimmery. The face powder works amazing as well, and the eyeshadows are really pigmented. And here I flubbed, so I'm going to be using the SheGlam Multi-Fix Concealer Palette in Vanilla. Kind of go under and perfect the brow, which I forgot to do, and I just went ahead with the eyeshadow. This is a really nice concealer. Not only are they pigmented, they're easy to work with, they blend out really easily, and they are not drying on the skin. I find that they don't settle too badly in fine lines if you want to use them under the eye as well. But as you can see, these eyeshadows are really pigmented. They're minimal fallout with these as well. They build really easily, and I do have 2 other eye looks using this palette. Today I kind of went with a simple everyday kind of look because I wanted the mascara and the lipstick to be the star of the show. I took the lighter brown in the palette in the crease, and now I'm taking the what I would consider the lightest vanilla highlighter shade in the palette, and this is also matte, and look how easily this is built up on the lid. Super impressive with these eyeshadows. They're all matte. They also come really cutely embossed with little images that suit Marilyn Monroe. So if you're a fan of Marilyn Monroe or just glam makeup looks in general, I'd definitely recommend this palette as it is under $10. Here you're going to see me do the lid shade, the highlight, and you're going to see me do some blending in the crease to blend the highlight with the crease color. And I'm taking the SheGlam Birthday Skin Primer. I love this primer. It's amazing. It's this light pink shade, and it just kind of goes on clear on the face. But I'm going to apply this with a brush because I prefer it this way. And I'm really going to just kind of like press that into the skin, and sometimes I will go over it with my finger and press it into the skin as well and really set those areas. I apply it everywhere except my nose, and you can see that it has amazing blurring properties, smoothing, beautiful canvas for applying all of your face products on top of it. So nice. This primer's amazing. This SheGlam sponge that is like an alien is amazing. It's the softest sponge I own. This is the SheGlam Skinfluencer Full Coverage Foundation Balm in the shade Fair. Amazing. Literally so good. Full coverage. You warm it up with your finger like this because there's little wax particles in it. You can apply this with a sponge, a brush, your fingers, whatever you would like. It applies so nice. It blends out so easy. And look at this. I hit pan on this product during this video and I was so excited. See, it blends out so nicely with the sponge. If you want a very full coverage, definitely recommend using a brush. It's amazing. This stuff is amazing. All the skin stuff that I've tried from SheGlam is just top tier. So I just blend that out and look how good that looks on the skin. It's so nice. I love how it looks personally. These full coverage concealers from SheGlam also are top tier. I use Buttercream and Fair under the eyes. It is so brightening, incredibly full coverage as it suggests. These are $4 concealers and I just kind of blend them together under the eye, blend it down into the cheek a little bit, and look at that. It's so brightening and it does not crease or settle in the fine lines. So going back into the Marilyn Monroe palette, I'm going to take one of my velvet sponges and I'm going to use that translucent powder under the eye. And you're going to see in this video, this powder is really nice, by the way. It does not leave a white cast. It does a good job at setting, but I forgot that I had a powder to try out in this video, so I applied quite a bit of powder in this video. You're just going to have to overlook it. This SheGlam Paw Brush is for liquid, like, face products. Amazing. Highly recommend. This is the SheGlam, the Twilight Saga Forbidden Blush in Vitality. This is a red blush. I don't own any red blushes. I love the packaging of this. It definitely screams vampires to me. It even says Twilight Saga on the packaging. This blush is so pretty. This is perfect for fall and winter. Cheeks that kind of flush, like I've been outside, it's cold kind of look as well. This is incredibly intimidating, but you'll see that it blends out so nicely right into the skin. You can kind of diffuse it. You can use as much or as little as you want to. Clearly I use too much, but it blends out really easily. And you can blend away a lot of the product. Also note that I did apply powder under my eyes and that blush went right over top of that powder, uninterrupted, unpatchy, not clinging to it. See, once again, here we go in with this powder, forgetting that I have another powder. But I'm literally going to set the entire face with this, I believe, right over top of that blush. Those blushes, by the way, don't move. Not only are they pigmented, they blend out, but they stay all day long. They have a matte formula in like a shimmer kind of formula. And I was showing there that the letters rubbed off of the powder, unfortunately, which of course. And I'm going to buff out every powder product I use on the face from here on out with the big e.l.f. body brush. And also, I feel like I need to note the elephant in the room. My fingernails are not actually dirty. That is actually black nail polish. Next up, we're going to be using this SheGlam Hypersculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. On the back it shows you some little directions if you're not sure how to use this. It comes in this cute little compact, and I got the shade Warm. They also have this in a cool tone, but I thought Warm would be better suited for my skin tone because I have warmer undertones. And it does not come with a mirror, which that's okay. It has really nice packaging. It has an under eye setting powder. Well, I guess you could use this all over your face. It's really nice. Even though it's in pressed form, it's really finely like milled, and it feels kind of lightweight. I do not know how to describe it other than it's just a really soft powder. It's very brightening under the eye as well. There's no blowback with the flash photography either. I chose the darker shade in the palette to contour with, or bronze with, however you want to put it. And I love how this is looking so far. I think it's performing great. You get 2 contour shades, a face powder, and 1 highlight in this palette. And I believe I paid under $8 for it. It's fantastic. I've already loved this product. It has been amazing every time I've used it. This was the first time I used it in the video though. so nice. I think it looks beautiful on the skin, and it matches my skin tone really well, and it blends out really nicely, and they're pigmented. I was under the impression that the highlight was actually one of their bouncy highlights, but it's totally not. And I could have used a brush here, but I totally did not. I don't know why I chose to use my finger, but here we are. And I apply that to the cheekbones, the nose, the cupid's bow, and on the chin. I leave the forehead blank this time just because I wanted to. And I think the highlight is really pretty. It gives you a nice subtle glow from within kind of look versus like high beam in your face highlighter. I'm also going to use it in the inner corner. After using this, I really wish that it wasn't such a small pan because it's such a beautiful highlight shade. And I love how it looks. It's so pretty. I think this palette is a total win, 10 out of 10, recommend. Now I'm taking the same brown shade I used in the crease on the lower lash line. Just like a little bit of that, not too heavy-handed. This SheGlam Live to Roam Nude eyeliner is amazing. Wait until you see in the waterline. Bam. Look at that. Wow. In your face, super eye-opening, brightening, I'm awake eyeliner, and it stays all day long. I believe it was $3. This SheGlam Mascara. This is the all-in-one volume and length mascara in the shade Burgundy. I've been dying to try this mascara forever. I don't know why it took me so long to pick it up, but it's a double-sided mascara. It comes with two sides. They each have their own brush. So like a normal hourglass kind of larger brush, and then a plastic style brush. And I apply one coat using the hourglass larger brush, and then you will see me go in with the plastic brush as well, just right over top of them, waiting just a few seconds in between each coat so they'll build up. And I do go over the entire lash. I think this is gorgeous, and I love how it makes my green eyes pop. I knew that it would, and it being like burgundy in the red color family. This is absolutely stunning. I love that it separated the lashes. They don't look clumpy or spidery. It gave me length and volume as it suggested, and my green eyes pop. I am absolutely blown away by the mascara. I absolutely love it and cannot wait to use it again. And the SheGlam Starlight Velvet Lipstick. I cannot recommend these lipsticks enough. The formula on them are amazing. I already own one Deep Under, and it's a nude shade. This one is called Wine and Dine, and it is a nice dark vampy wine red shade. It's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's a matte lipstick, and it has little gold glitters. Not shimmers, glitters in it. I will show you an up close of this. It's absolutely stunning on the lips. It's so beautiful. I think this is a perfect shade for the glam looks, the holiday looks, vampy looks. Highly recommend. The formula is not drying. It's a very creamy matte, very, very comfortable on the lips, and just stunningly gorgeous. Super pigmented, as you can tell. Next up is the SheGlam Matte Fresh Setting Spray, and I did not read the directions, so I'm going to tell you now. You're supposed to shake this up. I did not, and it left these little matte drops on my face. The sprayer is amazing. I do like the packaging. It has a nice smell to it. It does leave a matte finish. My skin stayed matte all day. I'm absolutely obsessed, and I love matte skin, so definitely recommend that. Now that is the finished look. Out of the new products, the brow product was so-so. I absolutely love the blush. I love the face palette. The lipstick's a win, the mascara's a win, and I love the matte setting spray. Highly recommend the SheGlam Makeup. It's amazing. Don't sleep on it. Definitely check it out next time you're on Shein.com. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Found it helpful. Maybe you'll try some of these products out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Shein and SheGlam links and a product list.